Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Black Ops 6 stuck in fetching online profile and loading player stats loop, and let's get straight into it. So a lot of people are having this issue specifically in Warzone as well, because what they're doing is that they're using the Warzone Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 or Modern Warfare 2 camos on their guns. And even though this should technically be fine, it's still causing an issue. So as of right now, a way to bypass this issue itself is just go over to multiplayer. If you do have multiplayer, go over to multiplayer and then go ahead and just prestige. So go over to barracks and then it's kind of laggy. Go over to barracks and you basically just want to prestige. Once you prestige and then you go back to Warzone, you should be good to go. And none of like the guns should cause any issues. Basically, you just want to go to prestige, go to progression, and then yeah, you can proceed from there. And another method you guys can do is simply just make sure is restart your PC and Black Ops. By the way, this is where you prestige. But anyways, what you can do is restart Black Ops 6 and restart your PC as well. And I recommend restarting your Wi-Fi router as well, because if there are any issues with internet connection as well, that will also fix that issue. And once you do all of that, you guys should be good to go, and that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.